How to change interest on Pinterest. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to change your interests on your Pinterest application, you have come to the right place. First of all, launch your Pinterest application and log in. Now tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. Tapping on it should take you to another page. Now again tap on your profile picture, which is on the top left. Once you reach on your account section, under settings tap on Home Feed Tuner. Next up, you will see this page from where you have to go on second tab, which is interests. Here are all the list of your interests. So in order to remove or add new one, you will have to click on the icon. Those which are not selected will be on plus icons and selected will be on tick items. So you can just tick on the tick option or the right tick to change it. And if you want to add any interest, to tap on the plus icon. Now if you refresh the page, your interests have been changed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.